Stop decorating your cupcakes the normal way. Today I'm going to show you a new technique where we use Kinder chocolate instead of frosting to top our cupcakes with. Gives you a beautiful chocolate finish every time. Now the first stage will be to prepare your cupcakes. As you can see, I've pre-prepared mine. I'll put all of the ingredients and the method in the description below for you, but please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me make these for you as well. Now the next thing we need to do is get our chocolate prepared. Now I'm using Kinder bars. I'm going to use about 300 grams, which is 16 of these small bars. So let's get them into our saucepan ready to melt. So to melt this chocolate, we'll now be using the double boiler method. Now during this part of the process, be very careful not to get any water in your chocolate because it will ruin the whole batch. So just take your time and stir gently. Okay, so now for the fun part. We've got our melted chocolate and our cooled cupcakes. Let's dip the top in. Allow the excess to drip a little. And then sit back on your cooling tray for the chocolate to set and repeat until you've covered your cupcakes. Alright, so now that they're all dipped, let's get these into the fridge for at least half an hour so that this chocolate can set, and then we can bring them back out and either serve them as they are or decorate them. I'm going to be decorating them, so I hope you stick around for that part. All right, the chocolate is finished setting and I think they look amazing. So at this stage, there's no need to do anything else with these cupcakes. You already have a winner. They're going to taste delicious. Now, I am going to decorate these a step further though, so I'll show you what I'm going to do with mine. Okay, I'm finished decorating and they're looking pretty fantastic. So I've gone with two different approaches, a bit of a simple one, just a piece of Kinder chocolate on top. I've left some just as they were because they were pretty fantastic just as they were. And then I've used some American buttercream with a Russian piping tip for this design here. Now I'll leave some links on the screen if you'd like to learn how to do this design. But otherwise, thank you very much for coming on this journey today. Let me know what you think of the design. Are you going to give the Kinder chocolate top a go? And if you'd like to see another recipe using Kinder chocolate, follow me over here where we go and make a Kinder mousse using 2 ingredients. See you there.